Hi friends, welcome to YumVegCooking, and today we are making a very simple pizza dough recipe that can be made in only 3 minutes. And next time when you're craving for pizza at night or any time, you can just knead a simple dough and then make your pizza. So let's get started. So first, in a mixing bowl, I'm adding 2 cups of all-purpose flour or maida. And then to this I will add 1 tablespoon of sugar, a teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 packet of instant yeast. This is approximately 1 tablespoon of yeast. This goes directly in the flour. And now we'll mix all the dry ingredients nicely. And then we'll knead a soft dough using warm water. Make sure your water is warm, not hot, otherwise it's not going to activate the dough. And then gently mixing it gradually. And then we'll knead a dough. As you can see, this dough will be sticky, so you can add some more maida or all-purpose flour to this. And maybe also you can add some oil to this. And knead the dough for 3 to 4 minutes. So the dough is almost ready. I'm just going to add some more olive oil to this so that it becomes nice and it doesn't stick to the mixing bowl. So this dough is ready in 3 minutes. Now just cover this with the cling foil. Put it in a warm place for 1 hour. And then after 1 hour, this will double in size. And just take off the cling foil. And I'm just going to pop the dough and you can see what happens. So there's so much air filled and it just comes out. So just tapping the sides and this dough is ready. And now you can just roll it and flatten it with your hands. If you think it's super soft, you can add a little bit of flour to this while rolling this. And your pizza base is ready. You can put your favorite toppings and cheese and just bake it. So next time, whenever you're craving pizza, just make this at home in 3 minutes. Leave it for an hour and this will be ready. If you like this recipe, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.